Forget about posting short and praying for views. That strategy is dead. And if you are serious about making money in 2025, your success depends on one thing: the niche you pick. And no, it's not saturated. I'm about to show you 5 underground YouTube short niches that people are secretly using to pull in millions of views and thousands of dollars without a team, a face, or even a voice. And yes, it is monetizable niches, so you don't have to worry. I use a few free hours a day, no budget, no expensive tools, and it got me my first solid income from shorts. Niche number 1, the sports commentary niche. Most people think sports are too competitive. That's the lie keeping you broke. I made over 100 million views and thousands of dollars in less than 6 months, all while I was a student, posting just one shot a day about football. Facts, stories, tweets, shorts, sharp commentary around the biggest sport in the world. But that's just football. Right now, UFC is exploding because almost no one is doing it. You could start today with UFC, basketball, tennis, cricket, and dominate. You don't even need to be the first, just be different. I use better editing, sharper storytelling, and stood out simple. Then niche number 2, the movie fact niche. Imagine this: one channel, 1 month, 120 million views, no face, no voice, just movie facts and a clean AI voiceover. If you want, you can also use your own voice because AI voiceover have been demonetized recently, but not all, unless you add a consecutive value on it. So that's movie land. The system is simple: pull, Travaya, short script, subtitle, and that is it. But if you can add visual and go deeper on facts, this niche is wide open and exploding. One guy I know got monetized in 18 days doing it, and he now makes $1,000 to $4,000 a month. And this guy I'm talking about right now is one of my friends. He was at $0 a month, broke as the average student, but right now he's making $1,000 to $4,000 a month. No magic, just consistency, strategy, and a niche with demand. And yes, the RPM is high because the audience is mostly from the US. The niche number 3, country commentary niche. This niche is blowing right now. Why? Because people are curious. What is it like to live in Japan? What's weird in Germany? Why are Nigerian weddings so weird? To pick one country or continent and go deep: lifestyle, culture, everyday hacks, no fluff. One channel got 200 million views with just 75 videos just because they picked the right angle. The trick: don't go too broad, target curiosity. This content gets Western views, meaning high RPM, and you don't need to live in that country to do it. Just research and voice over. The niche number 4, hybrid school edit plus commentary. This one is genius. It's called the hybrid format. You take those moody school edit and you add your own voice commentary on top. One channel put over 1 billion views using the exact format. No one else was doing it. Why does it work? Because it's familiar but different. The vibe catches attention and the commentary hosts it. And unlike regular school edit, this one was a voice, so the RPM is way higher. You are not just vibing, you are monetizing. The niche number 5, football edit niche. Let me keep it real with you. Football edit are printing money right now. One video, just 17 seconds, hit 200 million views and made around $10,000. And this is very low. Another channel hit 1 billion views in 1 month, and that's $30,000 to $50,000 in 30 days. I tested this on my old channel, which was monetized, but I wasn't using it. I was keeping it for something else. I posted a football edit after months of silence. Boom, 5 million views, $240 for just 14 second clip. Why? It's emotional, it's clean, and people watch till the end. That's the trick: clip selection, cinematic music, and perfect storytelling. So my friend, listen, shorts are not dead, they have just leveled up. If you are posting random clips, you are invisible. But if you lock in on one of these niches and build with intention, you dominate. No budget, no time, doesn't matter. These niches are made for people who start from zero. So which one are you choosing? Tell me in the comment section right now.